can't see. I can't see you.
You can't see me. It's something about failed to access camera, but don't worry, you're not missing out on a huge amount.
Oh wait, before we go on, I just want to say to everybody, some things that we all got from Undefined sharing his beatboxing is make sure you just take a breath and remind yourself why you're beatboxing in the first place, because it's so important that you remember that beatboxing is super dope and you love doing it because it's enjoyable, or like you want to do this because you want to be the best and push yourself. All of that is fine. Just remind yourself why you do it. Number 2, structure is super, super important so that you can create all the music that you want. And 3, with your style and when you're performing, do you perform the stuff that makes you feel good for yourself? Okay, that's what I wanted to say. All right, so sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, my guy. Where did you go?
Right here.
Sorry.
Still here.
Right. There's no video. I forgot. Okay, so just like Undefined, I want you to introduce yourself, your name, how long you've been beatboxing, where you're from, and how are you doing today?
My name is Chewis. I'm from Portsmouth in the UK. I'm 17 years old, and I've been beatboxing for, I think, 4 years now. 4 years in May.
Nice. Very cool. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to Scott Jackson you really quick. Hold on.
Okay.
Live and direct from Portsmouth, UK. We've got. Wait, what was your beatbox name?
Chewis. Chewis is my beatbox name.
Chewis. Did I say that right?
One. Yeah. That's
Shit. Okay, I got to do it again. Hold on. Live and direct from Portsmouth, we got tourists from the UK. All right. When I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1. In 3, 2, 1. Beatbox.
I got knots so pumped in my chest, pumping my chest, pumping my. Just know I'm making my best, making my best, making my. Trying my. Trying my. Treasure my. I got knots so pumping my chest, pumping my chest, pumping my. Just know I'm making my best, making my best, trying my. Trying my. And that's all I've got.
Make some noise, everyone, make some noise. Okay, cool. Yes, I love that I could see all of you guys just applauding in here. It's a very, very supportive chat. Okay, so couple things. Number 1, what did you like about your beatboxing? And then number 2, what do you think you can do better?
The thing that I like about my beat, I think I definitely like my power, for one.
Mm-hmm.
I bet. Second of all, I think I definitely take a lot of inspiration from the music that I listen to.
Mm-hmm.
And I like to include musicality in my style.
Mm-hmm.
Say one thing I don't like.
Or just one thing that you think you can do better, or that you want to work on.
I think I definitely need to work on definitely flow a lot more.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
I think that's the main thing, the main issue with me. A lot of my sounds they don't flow together as well as I'd like to.
Got it. Cool. All right. So some of the things you really liked were your musicality that you incorporate, and you incorporate a lot of the styles that you listen to in your beatboxing, and you have a lot of power, which is super dope. And you want to work on your flow. Great. So here's what I noticed with your beatboxing, because by the way, that was super dope. Number one. Number two, you have a really great voice, bro.
Thank you.
I was like, oh my God. It's like, yes. I was like, that sounds like someone who's been singing for a while. So that's beautiful. When you are doing some of your technique combos, I'm interested to hear, how do you practice your technique?
My technique, I think this routine specifically is one of the few routines that I quite struggle with, because it's a lot of inward sounds. So I have to kind of I haven't really warmed up for this one. When I do warm it up, it does sound a lot better, but I kind of have to really focus on getting my air in and out and stuff like that. And this routine is like specifically really difficult for that, because it's like, which is like mainly inward.
Right. Cool. I love that you do that. And so you said you had to warm up a little bit. Can you just do that can you do the drop, like that drop pattern? But I want you to do it slower.
Okay. That's about as slow as I could get.
Nice. Cool. Now I want you to do it 25% slower.
Okay, 25% slower, sorry. Oh wait, that's the first one. The second one was...
Yeah, that's faster.
Oh.
Nice. Cool. So what I heard was, when it was slower, I understood some of those patterns a little more, in terms of just like the clarity, which is good. And I think now here. Okay, before I go on, now I want you to do it a little faster.
Okay. Faster than the original, or just faster?
No. Just faster than you just did.
Okay.
Nice. Good. Now a little faster.
Okay. Well, I keep doing the first drop.
Yeah, do the one that you just did.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Now can you do it the tempo that you do, the timing that you do the drop in, like when you're performing it?
Okay, yeah.
Nice. Cool. Now can you do it faster?
Okay. You're testing me right now. Okay.
Yeah. Nice. Good. Okay. So here's that was good. That last time that you did it was super. You could tell the flow a lot better. And the reason I kind of took you through those different tempos, and speeds, is that a lot of questions that I get, especially when I do workshops, it's like, how do I work on my flow, which also relates to how do I work on my technique. And the most important thing you can do with technique or doing anything is having clarity and control over all of your sounds when you do them slow. And when you did them slow and then you sped them up, it was like, oh, okay, I understand. I understand every single sound that you are presenting in the context of the timing that you're doing, which is good. Because I know, and especially before you perform, it's important that you warm up. Sometimes I'll do like 15, 20 minutes, like just hardcore freestyle, like and like I'll just go in for like 20 minutes just so my face and my muscles are ready to go. It's important that you do that before you perform, right?